So about 8 months ago I built this PC. It's got a Ryzen 5 5500, review coming soon, and an AMD Radeon RX 6600 review also coming soon. Get subscribed for that. But the cable management really is awful, so I thought the best way to fix it would just be to completely strip it down and reroute all of the cables and then put it back together. So let's do it. Okay, so let's put this thing to get back together. So I'll first put my RAM back in. Now the SSD wherever it went, under here. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna reinstall the power supply and see what the best thing to do for cable management is. So for everything except the ATX 12 volt CPU connector, I'm going to go through this hole so that can come out over here. Okay, let's screw in these screws. One more screw. Okay, so there we go. So except for this SATA connector and the CPU connector, all of these other things can go. The Molexes can go through there as well. Maybe I should have just got a modular power supply. This SATA one can go through as well because I don't need it. This SATA can stay, and the 20-pin connector can go through this hole too. Right, so that makes it a lot cleaner already. So we have this going to the CPU, the SATA is going to this SATA. So yeah, that'll do it for the power supply for now. So let's get these fans in. Stupid fans. Fans are so annoying. Alright. So that's our front, one of our front fans in. Alright, let's get the next one in. Now let's get the other two screws in. Now the other one. There we are, both of our fans are in. Okay, so the cable management gets done last. I think it's time to put in the motherboard now, so let's do that. I'll just bring this over like that. I hopefully won't damage the fans. I mean, not the fans, the cables. Okay, so let's just gonna plug in the CPU fan. That can be sorted out later. Anyway, let's get the motherboard in. Oh, and of course I almost forgot the tray thing. Right, now let's put the motherboard back in. Okay, that looks good. Now I guess it's time to screw it all in. Oh no, I think we've lost the standoff. And it looks like we have. Okay, where's the standoff? Ah, here. Okay, now it should, in theory, go in. Right. So now I guess it's time to screw in everything. And hopefully all of the standoffs are in the right position now. Okay, so it looks like everything's in. Well, the motherboard's in, so let's get this in. But I should probably do it around the other way. It should be easier. Right, now let's install the CD drive. I keep on calling them CD drives, it's a DVD drive. So now let's pop the GPU back in. You might have missed some of the video. Not great, but oh well. Okay, there, it's in the PCIe slots. I can just grab the screw, screw it back in. So now it's just really cable management, so if I do that, so first let's do the 24-pin connector. Okay, that's in. Let's also get our Molex for the fans. Okay, that's not Molex, this is Molex. No, that's not Molex either. Here's our Molex. Okay, there's the two Molexes. Then I'll just pop in these as well. Let's also get our PCIe power. In fact, I'm gonna go under there. I think there's something wrong here. Okay, that's in. Good. Right, so now I think it's just cable tying everything and then it's time to power it up. Got this thing in two sets of Molex connectors, but no, it does not. So it looks like I've done it as well as I can. It's just that the side panel won't go on. If I just turn it on its side, it might work slightly better. Let's see. Well, it's on. Nearly. Okay. Looks like I've got my side panel on. So, in theory, it should look a lot more decent than it used to. The cable management, in this case, isn't great. Okay, let's go on the other panels and give this thing a test run. Honestly, I should probably just invest in a better case. I do think it looks slightly better than it did before though. So, yeah. Let's get this front panel on and then see if it works. See if it powers on at all first. Okay, so I reckon that looks slightly better than it did before. But honestly, it's the case, that's the problem. If I had a modular power supply, it would be a lot better. Anyway, let's get rid of all of this and try and power it up. Okay, let's see if it powers up. Is the display gonna work? There we go. That took a bit to post. Okay, it's working. I think it's gone past the BIOS and it's booting into Linux Mint. There we go. So that's it. All seems to be working. I'll just go back into the BIOS and see if everything shows up. Oh no, it's binaries. That means we've got to get the RAM up to its proper frequency. Let's go into advanced mode. Let's enable XMP. Right, it's all working. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share this video with your friends and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.